the meeting.
With the mitten?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes. Very tasty.
Two teams of 3 creative people each will start in Berlin and travel in opposite directions. One team goes east, the other one goes west. They want to make it to the other side of the world, Japan, only by traveling from one friend to another.
Finally meet you. This is Paula.
My name is Sasha. Older, like 22 age. Yeah. Just walking in Ukraine, in the Kharkov. This is my place.
Yeah, welcome to Ukraine. Probably in Kharkov. We will drink this.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
For what we drink?
Short toast, for the low in Russian, for the low.
Hello.
For the low.
No.
Alright.
За любовь.
Yeah. In Russian sounds like it's "Бейте за любовь."
It's getting easier. Because right from the beginning, Sasha was just like, yeah, I want you to meet my brother. And then he introduced us to his other friend, and then his other friend.
Look, Ukrainian tradition. Our candies.
Yes.
Which one you want?
Which one is the best?
Okay, so take it. I will.
Yeah,
This one.
this one. It's for you.
It's for you. Ukrainian tradition.
Thank you.
When Russian people or Ukrainian people can't explain something, they every time talk. Ukrainian tradition.
Alright, we got the candy.
People sleep and rest after drinks. You know this? This meaning Ukrainian tradition. This meaning drink alcohol. This one on my refrigerator. And every time when I will go take food, I like food. I like it. I will every time will be remember about you.
Thank you.
So now we are again in another French alliance in Brasilia, and we're gonna meet our next host, Matthieu, which is a friend of Mamadou, our last host in Salvador.
My name is Matthieu. I live in Brasilia, Brazil, and I'm the director of the Alliance Française in Brasilia. I'm 40.
Seems like a really great person and a person that really likes the project and wants to help. From the first hour, showed us around, and then he showed us to his colleagues and friends.
So now we made new friends.
Panos, Jed.
Jed.
What's your
Nice to meet you. Barbara.
Our friend Matthieu left us and he gave us new friends, and they are gonna show us around.
So we are here at the Alliance Française, French Alliance, and this is actually our roommate, kind of, because he lives here, and right now we live here.
How is it to live in a school?
It's not only a school actually, it's a school and a cultural center, so it's like kind of living in a museum. So this is our beautiful garden. It's a very peaceful place, and the students like to relax here during the breaks.
And is it easier here than in France?
Maybe yes, because here the people are warmer. Like they are always embracing you to say hello, so you have the physical contact. It's easier maybe. In France we are kind of cold, like this maximum, or shake the hand, but nothing more. So I think this first embrassade makes everything. Yeah, this hug, makes everything.
We're going to dance Forró.
Yeah.
We're gonna move our heads like this and be together, very together.
So I have to take more. Not good.
And I think it was amazing. I really liked it. I hope we can go dancing way more often. The people here are amazing. They're very open. They try to connect. They try to make friends.
Hi, my name is Laura. I work in the French Alliance. That's where I met them. And I told them that they can't go to Brasilia without knowing Chapada dos Veadeiros. So today we are going to a city that has over 200 waterfalls.
It was amazing to be in the nature, because mostly we were in big cities so far.
Laura, where are we?
We are at Alto Paraíso.
Alto Paraíso. We are in a camping spot in a town in Alto Paraíso. Here is our tent.
And it was amazing to swim and jump off some cliffs. I forgot that I like that so much. Some people, they chill. Other people, they just wait and see if they want to get into the water. And then there's Jed, who is in the water 1 second after you get there, jumping around, jumping from every rock he can see. He was really little. I don't know how much energy he has, but it's a lot.
So it's cool. So you literally just find 2 fingers, which is very easy. So you put one. Panos and myself went to go meet a girl named Juliana. I met her at the hostel that we're staying at. She's a barista there. That whole summed up as I asked her if she could help us cook a traditional dish. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good, good.
Can you?
Feijoada. Feijoada.
Feijoada.
Good. Cool. Some black beans here.
Yeah.
Good.
Linguiça calabresa.
And she said her apartment was small, and I was like, nah, it won't be too bad. But it is small. It's literally 2 rooms with a small toilet. The one room, which is a lounge/dining room, consists of the kitchen, which is quite hectic. It's very small. But yeah, it was just really heart-touching to see someone that has nothing really, in a sense, just to like a small place that's not embarrassed about it, but to be free and to let us just come in.
So you live alone, yeah?
No, with my brother. We sleep together.
Oh, you share the bed?
Yeah.
Looks good.
I hope it's good.
And for me, it was just super heartwarming. She was such an amazing girl.
How is it, Jed?
It's really good, eh? Very good, my word. I'm very impressed. Well done, Juliana.
Thank you, Juliana.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Challenging is the whole situation right now, finding a host. Where we are gonna go? We are in Brasilia. We are somehow in the middle of nowhere. To go somewhere from here, you need 15-20 hours of bus to go somewhere.
It's kind of hard to find hosts west. All the people here are friends on the east coast of Brazil, but no one has friends west side. So we're a little bit stuck, and yeah.
So Barbara is actually the next friend that Matthieu sent us to, and now it's the first time we're going at his place. And we're gonna go with the friend he sent us next to. And
It's actually the first time we were connecting the friends. They work together.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
that they really are.
Yes. And we don't know anyone to send you. Sorry.
Yeah. We're stuck in Brasilia.
we still don't know, but we will know. Let's just go check out the house of Matthieu. That's how you make kids don't cry.
What are we celebrating?
You.
Friendship.
Friendship was great.
Thank you so much.
Ogden, this guy carrying Paula's backpack, offered up his place for us to do the interview, so we're heading to his house now.
Okay. Paula, be careful. Let's cross the road.
Our new technology from Ukraine.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, those are your gloves. You were saying how
Yeah,
you
yeah.
box a lot.
Капусь.
Sasha.
This is my grandpa. Say hello. Скажите hello, дедушка. Что? Hello.
Hello. Yes.
My grandma. She's reading. Hi. Бабушка, поздоровайся.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, and right. Yeah, right and left. Yeah, like this.
Punch. Come on, Volkan. Eye of the tiger. Eye of the tiger.
Oh, this is our toilet.
Okay.
For economy, we make shower in here.
Okay.
So in the summer, this box will be hot. No, we put water here.
Okay.
It will be hot, and we can make shower here.
Perfectly economic here.
Yeah. This one you can see here.
Like bunker.
Like bunker.
Okay.
1899.
Don't scare it. Come here. I tell you, a bunker for cucumbers and tomatoes.
Okay. Which one's your favorite?
Yeah.
I like this.
You like the apple?
Yeah.
Alright. It tastes like apple juice. Yeah.
Я надеюсь, это
so
необычная водку перелили
his
сюда. Я надеюсь, что это
grandma,
самогон. Попробуй,
his dad's
пожалуйста.
grandma makes a little bit of homemade vodka, kind of like
Попробуй
moonshine.
ты. Yeah, it's exactly what you try to
So
find.
it's a hobby of his grandma.
Budmo.
Budmo.
And start it.
Ты чистяком?
Yeah.
Grandpa was working on this factory, big building you see behind the trees. Нес с завода все, что было плохо прибито к полу.
If I try to say this without bad words, he trying to took the old stuff from the factory. This stuff not for him, you know, and trying to steal on this building.
Okay.
Never mind, it's normal because take all what you see from factory. It's our normal mentality. That's why all Ukraine living bad and other stuff. You understand me? Remember what's this?
Onion.
Onion. Okay.
And some walnuts.
Yeah, my old bicycle. We make it winter from my grandma. You can see like this, very hot in this, but it's for work only. Winter is so cold.
Yeah.
Maybe minus 20 degree.
It was such a cool day. Yesterday was exactly how you think Yuujou would be. That was so interesting to see. I absolutely loved it to have a look into his life. It was cool. We did go without a helmet, which I do not really like, but it was amazing. We got on this train track that's not usable anymore, and we got into the woods, and there was this hole in the ground that goes really, really deep, and to get fresh water out, that was amazing. I mean, I never seen it in my life, so for me that was really, really special to see.
I grew up in the streets, you know, like against family is a very cool protecting scene for your soul. When you come in your home, you can feel free, you know. But I don't know how I can say this, but I feel more free with my friends because this is my real family.
So we got to his parents' house, where his grandpa lives as well, and his grandma. And we were ready to go. I already ordered the Uber. I'm like, we need to go. We need to catch the train. We need to leave. And they just come up with bottles of vodka and food, and they prepared everything for us. So we were eating as fast as we could, and they're like, vodka. And I'm like, no, thank you, wine. I'm like, yeah, wine's good. And then it was just so hard to get away, and me and Joey would love to stay there.
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I really hope to see you guys again. Yes, too. Can't wait to see your friend, and we'll be sending you pictures.
We just all the time messaging.
Yeah. Perfect.
When I will see you next time?
Next time, at least in maybe 60 days, and then after the journey, I come back.
Oh, nice!
guys.
Yeah.
We will be with you.
Yeah, it's definitely. I loved it though. This place.
Oh, so nice!